The history of Earth and the life upon it is a vast and complex subject, spanning billions of years. Here is a simplified timeline outlining the major prehistoric ages, their durations, key characteristics, life forms, and environmental conditions. Hadean Eon. It started 4.6 billion years ago and lasted around 600 million years. Named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, this eon, or prehistoric age, represents Earth's early formation. The planet was extremely hot, with volcanic activity and a molten surface. There were no known life forms in this age. The environment was hostile, with frequent volcanic eruptions and a surface bombarded by meteorites. The atmosphere was likely composed of water vapor, methane, ammonia, and other gases. Archean Eon. After Hadean Eon comes Archean Eon, which started around 4 billion years ago and existed for almost 1.5 billion years. The formation of the first stable land masses happened at this age. The appearance of the first simple life forms, which is single-celled organisms, prokaryotes, such as bacteria, dated back to this age, based on fossil evidence, chemical signatures, geological context, the study of comparative biology and biochemistry, and through experimental simulations. At Archean Eon, the Earth's crust cooled and solidified. The atmosphere gradually changed due to the activity of photosynthetic organisms producing oxygen as a byproduct, leading to an increase in oxygen levels. After Archean Eon, Proterozoic Eon started 2.5 billion years ago and ended 541 million years ago, spanning the duration of around 2 billion years. This age saw the first significant buildup of oxygen in the atmosphere, known as the Great Oxygenation Event. Towards the end of this eon, simple multicellular organisms and more complex single-celled organisms, eukaryotes, were developed and oxygen levels increased, leading to the formation of the ozone layer. At this age, the climate varied greatly, with periods of global glaciation called snowball Earth events. During this event, Earth's oceans and land surfaces were covered by ice from the poles to the equator. We are in the Phanerozoic Eon, which started after Proterozoic Eon 541 million years ago. The Phanerozoic is divided into 3 eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Paleozoic Era started 541 million years ago and lasted for around 289 million years. Known for the Cambrian explosion, a rapid diversification of life happened in this era. Major continents began to form also in this era. Marine invertebrates, fish, amphibians, and reptiles are notable life forms towards the end of this era. The environment of this era was variable climates with the formation of extensive forests and shallow seas. Mesozoic Era started after Paleozoic Era 252 million years ago and lasted for around 186 million years, which falls under the same Phanerozoic Eon. This era is famously known as the Age of Dinosaurs. The continents moved into their current positions in this age. This era is dominated by dinosaurs, early mammals, and birds. The environment in this age has generally warmer global climates. In this age, plants started to have flowers and the landscape started changing to more colorful from full green. The third era of Phanerozoic Eon is the Cenozoic Era, which started 66 million years ago and is still ongoing. This era is famously known as the Age of Mammals. Significant evolution and diversity happened in this age. Mammals became the dominant terrestrial life forms along with birds, insects, and flowering plants. The climate cooled significantly in this era, leading to ice ages. This age is also responsible for the development of modern ecosystems. Subscribe to Ancient Narrator and follow us on social media to stay tuned for more interesting tales from the past.